Hey Sam, have you heard that LG is about to drop a new phone?
What's new in that? Android phones drop every week.
No, idiot. I am talking about a rollable display phone.
A rollable display phone. What is that supposed to be like?
Have you heard about LG Explorer program?
Yeah, I know a little about it. In LG Explorer program, LG tries to make new experimental phones to the market.
Exactly, in the same LG Explorer program, it is rumored that they are working on a new piece of tech. A rollable phone.
Okay, I get it, they are making a rollable phone, but what's new in this phone? Which makes it better over others?
If you look at foldables, then you will realize that they are a very new piece of technology. Obviously they offer latest features like extra screen real estate that could fit in your pocket. But they come with compromise, like durability of display, and that annoying crease in the middle of the display, which feels every time whenever I scroll. So I think LG is planning to do everything to escape those foldable compromises, but still providing extra screen to the customers.
Okay, so what are they gonna do?
You must have heard the newly announced LG Wing.
Yeah.
Well, Wing is a swivel phone, in which there is a regular smartphone display. But sometimes if you feel like multitasking, just swivel it and you will have a secondary display as well. Though this is a great design, but there is still a compromise. The size of secondary display.
But how can they fix it without making a foldable with a hinge?
Surely they can. Imagine a screen which can be exactly of the size you need, still being pocketable. Sometimes you just need a regular smartphone display, but sometimes you are being productivity machine and need more screen real estate. Or maybe you want to change aspect ratio of your device.
Sounds interesting, but this is just for imagination. 'Cause it's super futuristic to have such an advanced phone.
No Sam, you don't have to wait for future to have such a device. LG is planning exactly the same phone which I just described you.
Oh really?
Yup, LG rollable phone will have a rollable display which you can stretch as much as you want. And it can then be rolled back when you are done. It will become tablet when you want it to be, and it will be phone when you don't want a tablet.
I like it, Sarah. I can't wait to see it in real.
I know, I am super excited for it as well.